उसके बाद आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन कि क्या फील होता है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेशन, क्या करूँ समझ में नहीं आता, क्या करने से जस्टिस मिलेगा।
आपको सुनाई दे रहा है, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं वी वांट जस्टिस। जो हुआ है वो हम लोग सह नहीं पा रहे।
Arjikot incidents, there are ill attempts to cover up the things. That's why we are raising our voices.
I feel that there is no moral locus standi left for Mamata Banerjee to continue as Chief Minister even for one moment.
আমি অনেক দিন ধরে অনেক জায়গায় অনেকবার এই কথাটা বলে এসেছি যে আগামী দিনে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের অবস্থা খুবই ভয়াবহ হয়ে উঠবে।
তারা একত্রিত হয়ে এই গন্ডগোলটা করেছে। আমার সবচেয়ে খারাপ লাগছে কি জানেন, ঘটনাটা তো দুঃখজনক। আমরা বারবার বলেছি ওর ফাঁসি চাই, আমি তো কালকেও মিছিল করব ফাঁসির দাবিতে।
Hello and welcome to yet another episode of One Take, and we are talking in the backdrop of not just Bengal but an entire country agitation by young people against that horrific rape in Kolkata. And that is why I'm asking this question this week. Will it dent Mamata Banerjee's till now very staunch vote bank among the women? But to understand this and to answer this question as much as I can, we also need to understand why so far, despite all the odds, that vote bank has stood by Mamata Banerjee.
If CBI is an impartial organization, then what for BJP leaders are disclosing all the names who will be arrested by the CBI or not? It is not your duty.
What is happening in Bengal under a woman chief minister? Doctors were attacked yesterday by the goons there, and you are doing protest?
तेरा रेप मेरा रेप की पॉलिटिक्स को बंद करें ममता जी।
Remember, just ahead of the Lok Sabha elections and even during it, the big issue which broke out was that of the Sandesh Khali sexual assault cases. Many thought, particularly the BJP, that finally there would be a dent in her vote bank. But Mamata Banerjee had a way of doing things. First of all, she launched the relaunch of rather the Lokhi Bhandar scheme, which means money directly into accounts of women. And for women, this became a big assurance coming in from India's only woman chief minister, Mamata Didi, as she was called. They were given an assurance that, they would be rich, they would be financially, and then of course totally independent. And that is one reason why, despite the many stories of Sandesh Khali, they continued to vote for her, and we saw the results. Didn't make any dent. In fact, the BJP took a hit. I personally travelled to Sandesh Khali, and to say that there was no such incident of sexual assault would be wrong. I found a deafening silence. Not many were willing to talk about it. But there was also a ray of hope in the rest of Bengal and also in and around Sandesh Khali that things would change. They had this firm faith that Didi would do justice for them. But could it all change now? Is there reason for Mamata Banerjee to worry? In fact, I would say the worrying signs are beginning to show on her forehead. If we look at her response which is coming in, the turmoil within the Trinamool Congress, it goes on to show that the TMC and Didi are finally worried about one of the most staunch vote banks, which is the Mahila or the women vote bank. One example, for example, she has launched the Ratri Shati program, which means helper at night. So she has also come out with this proposal that women should be not given night duty as much as possible. They would be given all kind of security and possible help in their workplaces. She's repeatedly taken the charge and reaching out to women. She's the one who's leading.
ছাত্রছাত্রীদের কোনো দোষ দিচ্ছি না, বহিরাগত কিছু রাজনৈতিক লোক যারা বাংলায় অশান্তি করতে চান।
बंगाल सरकार का एकमात्र लक्ष्य है कि पीड़ित को इंसाफ मिले और पीड़ित परिवार को इंसाफ मिले।
We totally understand the outpouring of genuine grief, the outpouring of genuine insecurity and the outpouring of solidarity that is on the streets.
You must have also noticed that several video comments and statements coming in from the Trinamool Congress's women MPs, whether it's Sagarika Ghosh or Mahua Moitra or Shushmita Dev. There's a method in what is looking like a madness. And that method is Mamata Banerjee trying to reach out to her most loyal vote bank till now, which is the Mahila vote bank. Why is it that the Sandesh Khali incident and this one seems to be different? Because in Sandesh Khali, there was this belief among the young people of Bengal and even the educated ones that possibly this is something which we cannot associate ourselves with. Unfortunately, there seems to be a kind of distancing. Many who heard and read those incidents of Sandesh Khali felt that this is something which may not happen to us. In the case of the Kolkata rape and murder, there is a realization which has dawned that listen, this is closer home. This can happen to us. Because this is now affecting a large number of young people. Which is why you're seeing inorganic protests which are breaking out, not just across the country, but I'm going to focus myself more on Bengal. Young Bengalis, the Bhadralok, the intelligentsia, they feel that this is something which has reached home. It can happen to any Ghorer Mein or any girl at their home. You know those pictures of the Mohan Bagan and the East Bengal team together? For most of us Bengalis who follow football, this is almost an unheard of coming together. We know that how difficult the two of them can even stand next to each other, so much is the acrimony. But this is one issue which has brought them together. I think that is a worrying sign for Mamata Banerjee, that the women vote bank may this time round be swayed, may not be completely convinced by her words. The fact that within the Trinamool Congress, voices are breaking out is one more indication that there is a vote bank which seems to shake. And the fact is, those pictures out of Bengal, people from other parts of the country also questioning her ability to ensure justice, to give justice, is one more reason why the women voters of Bengal may begin to question her. And the astute politician that she is, she very well understands that. Which is why she did what she does usually the best, which has worked for her in the past. That is take out a rally. Many scorned her, saying that this is a rally which she is doing against her. She asked for a CBI probe to be expedited. She wanted immediate justice. But Mamata Banerjee's Singur Nandigram moment is something which she doesn't want to relive against her. She was able to defeat the left because she was able to make that movement on the ground. This time round, she's hit the streets, ironically, for herself, to ensure that a woman of Bengal believe and continue to believe her. Do give in your reactions. Do you think it's quite possible that the fact that the Sandesh Khali incident did not touch her vote bank, all that may change now? Is the voters or Mahila voters of Bengal wavering? Are they refusing to believe Didi completely? And will Didi have to work overtime to convince them? Thank you so much for watching.